Welcome to our video on small walk-in closet design ideas. While walk-in closets are often seen as a luxury, even a small space can offer big possibilities. With the right design, you can maximize storage, organization, and style in your walk-in closet, regardless of its size. Today, we'll be diving into some creative solutions to make the most out of a small walk-in closet. From smart shelving to space-saving accessories, there are plenty of ways to create a functional and beautiful closet that fits your needs. Let's get started. Welcome to our video on small walk-in closet design ideas. While walk-in closets are often seen as a luxury, even a small space can offer big possibilities. With the right design, you can maximize storage, organization, and style in your walk-in closet, regardless of its size. Today, we'll be diving into some creative solutions to make the most out of a small walk-in closet. From smart shelving to space-saving accessories, there are plenty of ways to create a functional and beautiful closet that fits your needs. Let's get started. When you're working with a small walk-in closet, one of the best ways to optimize storage is by using the full height of your space. Maximizing vertical space means installing shelving, racks, and storage units that go all the way up to the ceiling. This approach not only helps to declutter the main floor space, but also ensures that every inch of the closet is utilized efficiently. Begin by installing double rods for hanging clothes, one rod for longer items like dresses and coats and another for shorter items like shirts and pants. This immediately doubles your hanging space without taking up additional floor area. You can also incorporate pull-down rods for higher, harder-to-reach sections, which allows you to store seasonal or rarely worn items up top, freeing up more accessible space for your daily wardrobe. Shelving is another key feature in maximizing vertical space. Install adjustable shelves to accommodate different items, such as shoes, handbags, or folded clothing. Adjustable shelves give you the flexibility to modify the layout as your needs change, making it a highly functional addition to any small walk-in closet. Open shelves can create an airy, less cluttered look, while enclosed cabinets provide a more organized and streamlined appearance. For the best of both worlds, consider using a combination of both styles. To further capitalize on vertical space, consider adding over-door hooks or racks for accessories like scarves, belts, and hats. This often overlooked space can become a highly functional part of your closet, providing storage without sacrificing any floor or wall space. You can also install a few hooks along the walls to hang bags, jewelry, or ties, ensuring that everything has a dedicated place. If your closet has a high ceiling, you might even consider adding a step stool or ladder that can be tucked away when not in use. This makes accessing higher storage areas easier and safer, allowing you to make full use of all the vertical storage possibilities in your closet. If these small walk-in closet ideas gave you some inspiration to maximize your space, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to transform their closet. In a small walk-in closet, it's essential to make the most of your shelving and storage systems. By incorporating smart shelving solutions, you can organize your clothes, shoes, and accessories in a way that's efficient and easy to navigate. Custom shelving units designed specifically for small spaces can help you tailor your closet to meet your personal storage needs. One of the most popular solutions for small closets is adjustable shelving. This allows you to rearrange the height and spacing of shelves to accommodate different types of items, whether it's shoes, handbags, or folded sweaters. Tiered shelving is another great option for maximizing storage without wasting space. You can use lower shelves for bulkier items like boots or handbags and reserve the higher shelves for smaller items. Drawers and cubbies are invaluable in keeping your walk-in closet tidy and organized. Divided drawers can help separate smaller items like underwear, socks, and jewelry, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through piles. For a more organized look, consider using drawer organizers, which can help keep everything in its place and avoid clutter. Shoe storage is often a challenge in small closets, but there are several creative ways to store your footwear without taking up too much space. Shoe cubbies or shelves allow you to display your collection while keeping everything neat and easily accessible. Over-the-door shoe organizers can also help save space and keep your shoes visible. For an even sleeker look, consider investing in a pull-out shoe rack that slides into the closet when not in use. Additionally, using bins, baskets, or fabric drawers can help you store out-of-season items or less frequently used accessories. Opt for labeled bins so you can quickly find what you're looking for. Stackable containers also work well for maximizing storage space while maintaining a clean, organized look. What's your favorite space-saving tip for a small walk-in closet? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're organizing your space. Good lighting is key in any closet, but it's especially important in a small walk-in closet. Proper lighting can make the space feel larger, more open, and more functional. Start by installing bright, energy-efficient LED lighting to illuminate the entire closet evenly. LED strip lights along the shelves or in darker corners can add both practicality and aesthetic appeal, making it easier to see and select your clothing. In addition to ceiling lights, consider task lighting, such as spotlights or sconces, to highlight specific areas of your closet, like shoe racks or accessory displays. Lighting can also help define different zones in your closet, making it easier to stay organized. For example, you can add a focused light over your dressing area or above a jewelry display to create a sense of luxury and sophistication. Mirrors are another powerful tool for enhancing a small walk-in closet. A full-length mirror not only serves a practical purpose, but also makes the space feel larger by reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth. You can install a mirror on the back of the closet door or dedicate one wall to a floor-to-ceiling mirror to maximize the effect. If you want to save even more space, consider mirrored closet doors. These provide the benefit of a full-length mirror while eliminating the need for extra wall or door space. Additionally, reflective surfaces like glossy cabinets or glass shelves can add to the open feel of the closet, helping to bounce light around and make the space seem larger than it is. For more home organization and design tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video full of clever ideas. Finally, one of the most enjoyable parts of designing a walk-in closet, even in a small space, is adding your personal touch. Customizing your closet with personal details and decor can make it feel like an extension of your living space rather than just a storage area. Start by choosing a color scheme that complements the rest of your home, whether it's a calm neutral palette or something bold and vibrant. Wallpaper, for instance, can add a pop of personality to the back wall or even the ceiling of your closet. Bold patterns or subtle textures can make the closet feel like a well-designed room in its own right, rather than just a utility space. You can also incorporate decorative items like framed art, small plants, or a stylish rug to make the space more inviting and reflective of your style. Seating can also elevate the design of your small walk-in closet. Even a compact bench or cushioned stool can provide a place to sit while putting on shoes or selecting an outfit. Look for multifunctional furniture, such as a bench with hidden storage, to maximize space without sacrificing style. Don't forget to display items that make you happy or inspire you. This could be a favorite handbag, a special pair of shoes, or a piece of jewelry that you love. By showcasing these items, you create a sense of pride in your wardrobe and add a layer of personalization to the space. You can also use decorative trays or stands to display items like perfumes, watches, or other accessories in a way that's both functional and stylish. Another way to add personality is through unique hardware, like drawer pulls or handles. Switching out standard closet hardware for something more distinctive can instantly elevate the look of the space. From gold accents to crystal knobs, the options are endless and can add that final touch of luxury or charm to your closet. Looking for more storage solutions? Check out our closet design playlist for ideas to optimize every inch of your closet space. Thank you for joining us on this journey through small walk-in closet design ideas. Loved the storage solutions featured in today's video? Check the description below for links to all the products used, so you can start upgrading your small walk-in closet. We hope these tips and tricks inspired you to maximize the potential of your space and create a closet that is both functional and beautiful. Whether you're looking to revamp an existing closet or build one from scratch, there are endless possibilities to explore. With smart storage solutions, the right lighting, and a touch of personalization, your small walk-in closet can become one of your favorite spaces in your home.